Hello, folks. How are you all? Today, I want to talk to you about my book. And this book is Appointment with Ying at 8 a.m. The book is about start up a business. Starting up a business. I have stories after stories to tell inside of this book. But today, I want to talk to you about Emily. Emily is a beautiful lady. And French manicure all the time, look perfect. When she comes to my office, she has a mink coat and she is just elegant. And she is working full-time at a local law firm as executive secretary. She knows a lot of business people because business people come into the law firm and ask for help. So everybody she knew who come into the law firm makes good money. So Emily always wondered, why can't I just be a business person? Why do I have to work? So in my book, I wrote, Emily did not know anything about running a restaurant, other than the fact that everyone she knew made money in doing it. So I looked at her perfect polished French tip nails and wondered whether she could handle physical hard work. This is me thinking. But her voice rains sincerity. I'm tired of working 8 to 5 at this place. I actually would love to work more. Oh, well, my boss is very cheap, and he doesn't want me to work overtime. I want to be my own boss. My friend can cook, and I am doing it. So she started out to open up a restaurant, and she left her full-time job, work on the restaurant. She calculated. She has her friend. She can pay her friend a little low. She will make more money. So Emily is a business person from the land of head. In my book, I separate people by 3 characters. Land of heart, land of hand, land of head. The land of head people are kind of like President Donald Trump kind of person. So I use President Donald Trump in my book to elaborate who are the people with land of head kind of character. They calculate, they measure, they believe in their estimate. They know that they can make it. So Emily is from land of head. So she did that. What happened? The restaurant is not going the way she wanted. And her friends quit. And she got a perfect way to get rid of all her friends. Okay? That's one of the ways to get rid of your friends or your relatives. Just be in the business together. Have you heard of that? So Emily changing shift like baby change diapers. So at the end, I was asking her, hey, why are you keep on changing shift? Oh, I don't like this one. It's not cooking very well. The presentation of dishes was just terrible, not my standards. So she has standards, but she doesn't have her own hands to do it. She doesn't know how, and she rely on other people. So small business owner, when you start a business, you almost need to know everything out there. So with that said, and Emily closed her business in 6 months. She lost close to $250,000, and she didn't really know what to do. And however, Emily is smart. Remember, she's from land of head. And so she calculated. She goes, ooh, I am so good at getting all the chef. So why don't I just turn my place into a job agency, training the new chef. Then I send them out to work. I can rent them out, or I can just lease them out to the employer, or I'll just sell the person to the employer as a new employee. So that way I can have a job agency kind of business. So Emily started that journey on the 7th month when she failed the restaurant. So with that said, you see how skills, personality play into starting up a business. You can be a brilliant person, very smart, but you will fail the business you are trying to conquer because that is not a good fit. And to find the good fit and to find the right character that you have, knowing what kind of job, what kind of business you can start, get back to my book. You will take the quiz to figure out whether you are from land of heart, or you are from land of hand, Or you are just like Emily from Land of Head. And I myself, I did my quiz. I'm from Land of Heart. That also tells you my own story, how I began Community CPA. So everybody's journey is different, but knowing self is so key. So folks, learning from Emily, coming back to my book. Appointment with Ying at 8 a.m. Then you wait for my 10 a.m. to come this year. That one will teach you how to grow your business to take you to next level. Yes, I can take you to next level. See you again.